Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell a car in No Limit 2. This game offers one primary method for selling your vehicles, which is through the dedicated in-game auction house. Understanding this system is absolutely essential, as it represents the only official way to transfer your car and receive in-game currency for it. We will cover the step-by-step process, ensuring you can confidently list your vehicles and make successful sales. Get ready to turn your extra rides into valuable cash. Before you list your car, take a few minutes to prepare it for sale, significantly boosting its appeal and potential value. First, give your vehicle a thorough cleaning in your garage. A sparkling car always looks more enticing to buyers. Consider removing any valuable custom parts or rare upgrades if you intend to sell them individually, as this can sometimes yield greater overall profit. Finally, ensure your car is fully repaired and in top condition. Buyers are more likely to bid on a pristine vehicle. Now, let's navigate to the auction house, which you can typically find within your main garage menu. Once inside, select the option to list a new vehicle for sale. It is crucial to set a realistic starting bid price that reflects your car's value and encourages initial interest from potential buyers. You will also need to choose an appropriate auction duration, perhaps 1 hour for quick sales or 3 hours for more visibility, depending on current market trends. Setting these parameters wisely is key to a successful transaction. After your car is listed, you can easily monitor its progress and current bid status directly within the auction house interface. When the auction concludes successfully, the game automatically handles the transfer of the vehicle to the highest bidder without any further action required from you. Immediately upon completion, your earned in-game currency will be deposited directly into your account, ready for your next project or upgrade. Selling your cars efficiently means more resources for your racing empire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.